Dialog Innovation Challenge.
සුබ සන්ධ්‍යාවක්. ඩයලොග් ආයතනයේ සහ TV දෙරණ එක්ව ලංකාවේ දීප්තිමත්ම තරුණ නවෝත්පාදක මනස් එක වේදිකාවට ගෙනෙන ප්‍රථම සහ එකම රියැලිටි වැඩසටහන Dialog Innovation Challenge 6th episode එකට ඔයගොල්ලන්ව ආදරයෙන් පිළිගන්නවා.
Dialog Innovation Challenge.
අපි මුලින්ම අපේ විනිසුරු මඩුල්ල හඳුනගෙන ඉමු. First of all, we have Chairperson of Nations Trust Bank, Ms. Sherin Khada. Next, we have Executive Vice President and Group Chief Information Officer of John Keel's Holdings, Mr. Ramesh Shanmuganathan. We also have Group Chief Information Officer of Dialog Axiata, Mr. Asela Pereira. Welcome, judges. Thank you so much for being here. We are halfway through. 25ක් ඉවරයි, තව 25ක් තියෙනවා. අද 5 දෙනෙක් ඉන්නවා. Are you guys ready? All right, judges are ready. Let's get in our first contestant. තමන්ගේ එදිනෙදා ජීවිතේ නැත්තම් රැකියාවේදී නැත්තම් ව්‍යාපාරයේදී chat GPT වගේ දෙයක් භාවිත කළා AI තාක්ෂණයෙන් ගොඩක් දේවල් අපිට කරගන්න පුළුවන්. ඔන්න දැන් ලංකාවේ කොල්ලෙක් මේ වගේම දෙයක් කරලා තියෙනවා. Any question, any research, any task in real time. හැබැයි ඒකට වියදම් කරනව වෙනුවට ඒකෙන් සල්ලි හම්බ කරන්න පුළුවන්. විශ්වාස කරන්න පුළුවන්ද? Let's hear it from the man himself.
When I say chat to find, the first thing that comes to your mind is chat GPT, right? Why should I use chat GPT when you have chat to find? These are the 4 reasons. One is accessibility. Secondly, chat GPT charges $20 per month to use their premium models. And thirdly, privacy. Fourth problem is accuracy. That is my product, chat to find, a conversational search engine powered by AI. How chat to find addresses these problems. One is it's connected to the internet, and when you ask a question, it gathers information from the internet, analyzes it, and answers the question. Secondly, it's rewarding, like it's connected to a blockchain where if people contribute GPU power and share their GPU power. So if you have a very less powerful machine and he wants to he wants to prompt a very powerful large language model, he sends the request to someone who has that powerful machine, and they are rewarded with cryptocurrency. That cryptocurrency is called C2F coin. So this is all possible because of blockchain. Yeah, and just understand these 4 concepts before I explain how this works. First, there's a decentralized network, and there's a consensus mechanism, there's encryption, and then there's incentives. So this is a visual representation of how chat to find works. So you have computers all around the world. They are all connected to each other. And when I want to ask a question from a large language model, and I don't have a powerful machine, he sends it to someone who has can run a powerful device. Powerful large language model. So he sends it and the random user receives it. He prompts the LLM and sends the answer back to the original sender. And another node or user or machine, seen by green arrow, it starts with verifying. And when the verification succeeds, they are both rewarded with cryptocurrency. That cryptocurrency is called a C2F cryptocurrency, short for chat to find coin. So, and this coin can be sent and received between users or traded on a cryptocurrency exchange. And key features are, I already explained these for real-time information, able to run any powerful AI, data privacy, and users earn instead of paying. So these are the real key features. It can do everything ChatGPT does. First one is earn instead of spending. So, and it's fair and transparent. For example, if one machine goes down, it doesn't fail the entire system. And global access, anyone in the world can participate. Privacy protected. So, for example, when you ask a question from chat to find, it goes to the machine that has that power. It's encrypted. Both ends are encrypted. And for example, I had to personalize this. So, for example, I search on Google, what are the services provided by Dialog Axiata? The first thing I get is a blue link. Sometimes I get an advertisement. I never get the straightforward answer. So this is how chat to find does it. Same question, what are the services provided by Dialog Axiata? And it lists down everything perfectly. So this is my milestone. First, I had the prototype in June. Currently, we are on June. We are chat-to-fine software testing and fine-tuning, and what's to come is software release finally, and next iOS and Android app, and finally getting the coin listed on a cryptocurrency exchange. Yeah.
Yes. Then the whole proposition is Web3. It's a Web3 company.
Sorry?
You're building a Web3 company. Right?
Not exactly. No.
So when you say you're building a LLM, is it your own LLM that you are built? Or
No, I'm not building an LLM. I'm actually using open source models, meaning that they are already available to
LLM.
Yeah, it's called.
So
large
what are
language.
you using for this?
Sorry?
What is the LLM you're using for this?
It's called Mistral 7B.
Okay. So now the GPUs that you're mining with your C2C bitcoins,
Yeah.
is it in terms of what they're subscribing for public service, or they are providing their own compute power?
For example, when they provide their GPU power, for that they get rewarded with the cryptocurrency called C2F coin.
No, correct, but I'm asking where are they getting the GPU power? Is it from a public service?
No, it's already on the computer.
So they are connecting their own private computer.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah.
So you don't still have a finished product.
I could
se.
show the demo.
Yeah, but I think what we want to kind of get a grip of is to understand කී දෙනෙක් මේකට කියන්නේ සම්බන්ධ වෙලා තියෙනවද කියන එක තමයි අපිට ඇත්තට දැනගන්න ඕනේ.
Right now it's because it's still under development. No one has joined it because I'm still developing.
Okay, clear.
ඉතින් ඉස්සෝ ෆාම් එකක එහෙම නැත්නම් ඉස්සෝ කොටුවක ඵලදායීතාවය වැඩි කරගන්න සැටලයිට් ඉමේජරි සහ IoT sensors භාවිතා කරන්න පුළුවන් ඇප් එකක් තමයි අපේ මීළඟ තරඟකරුවන් නිර්මාණය කරලා තියෙන්නේ. අපි බලමු.
Shrimp farming is a major export in Sri Lankan fisheries industries. Do you know the current status of these industries? Many farms are being shut down due to maintenance issue in recent times. Do you know the effect of this maintenance in the production scale?
Of course, shrimps are highly sensitive to water quality condition. Poor quality leads to several disease outbreaks and affect the shrimp production.
To sort out this issue, currently manual water quality monitoring is done in shrimp farms in different frequencies.
But still the farmers are struggling to get the real-time and accurate data. Without the real-time alerts, they cannot respond quickly to the potential issues. So what we proposed, our web application is called Smart Aqua. We are installing an IoT device in the pond. So it will measure the pH, temperature and dissolved oxygen level. And from the satellite data, we can monitor the planktons in the pond, and they will integrate it, and the customer or the farm officer, the responsible person, can access it through a web application. And also, if they want, they can generate the report. And if there are any urgent conditions such as the sudden decrease of DO level or something happen urgently, they will get a SMS notification. So this is the feature of the solution. The IoT data and satellite data will be collected and stored securely in the database, and through the web application they can access that one. And also we can use the stored data in the database for the future predictions as well. So let's see who are our competitors. Our competitors are local agri-tech companies, but currently they are mainly focusing on agricultural sector, not yet on aquaculture yet in Sri Lanka. And manual water quality checking devices are currently available in the markets in the cheap cost. And currently the universities and research institutions are much interested on aquaculture, installing the IoT on aquaculture. So let's see what's our competitive advantage here. It's a real-time monitoring system. So the satellite data and IoT data will be integrated, and it will be provide a report, automated report as well as alert system. And this product is customizable for the large scale industry, medium scale and the family scale as well. And after that, in near future, after collecting some data, in near future, we can go for the predictions as well, such as yield predictions, we can go for that as well. So this is our product. Thank you.
Yeah, let me start. First of all, good concept. Want to have an idea whether you all have actually now, is this been piloted somewhere, or is it like just a prototype only?
It's a prototype.
So you haven't actually
Yeah.
implemented it in a farm, prawning
Not
farm
yet.
and so on?
Actually, ourselves we didn't, but there are references. We are in a prototype level.
Okay.
Have the product, I can understand probably at a very completion stage, closer to completion. Your product, your prototype.
Yeah, prototype, yes.
Yeah. So have you, I know from what you're saying, I understand that you all don't have a proper financial budget or a plan, but you all know how it is connected because your satellite subscription to your hardware to software to what, there has to be a break even that you all have worked out, at least the infrastructure, do you know how to set it up? Have you planned that?
Yeah, we have developed the infrastructure, that means the solution architecture, and this system we have done a test trial, so we have implemented in a cloud-based deployment. So all the data will be transferred to the database within the cloud, and from that the user will be getting the data through API.
So your prototype, what is the sample size? I mean, you need to scale up. Have you thought about that as well?
The sample size we did for one pond, single pond. That means the storage will be around 1 to 2 GB only. For the initial test we did that, but we didn't scale up yet.
But in terms of field trials, now you will need internet connection, all of that in the farm,
Yeah.
right? So you all have ruggedized devices and all of that for IoT and stuff to be deployed in that kind of environment?
Yes, initially we did the trial run with a Wi-Fi.
Okay.
Wi-Fi module, so we cannot expect in everywhere to have a Wi-Fi. So in that case, we can have a mobile connectivity as well.
Okay.
GSM modules.
But how long have you been working on this to bring the product to this stage?
We are working for 3 to 4 months.
That's what I thought. Okay. Good.
මේ නවීන තාක්ෂණික යුගයේදී අපිට යමක් අවශ්‍ය නම් අපි කඩේකට යනවට වඩා දැන් ගෙදර ඉඳන් ඕඩර් කරන්න පුරුදු වෙලා තියෙන්නේ. කෑම බීම වුණා. බෙහෙත් ගන්න ෆාමසි එකට යන්න උනත්, ග්‍රෝසරිස් ගන්න උනත්, එහෙම නැත්නම් සර්විසස්, ඉලෙක්ට්‍රිෂියන් කෙනෙක් නැත්නම් මේසන් බාස් කෙනෙක්, පයිපර් බාස් කෙනෙක් වුණත් ඇප් එකකින් අපි ගෙදරටම ගෙන්න ගන්න තත්ත්වයකට ඇවිල්ලා තියෙන්නේ. ඉතින් අපේ ෆෝන් වල අපේ කම්පියුටර්ස් වල ඇප්ස් තියෙනවා 100ක් විතර. දැන් අපි මීළඟ තරඟකරුවන් කරලා තියෙන්නේ මේ හැම ප්‍රොඩක්ට් එකක්ම මේ හැම සර්විස් එකකම ඇප් 100ක් පාවිච්චි කරනවට වඩා මේ ඔක්කොම එක තැනකට ගේන්න පුළුවන් ඇප් එකක් නිර්මාණය කරලා කියලායි කියන්නේ. අපි බලමු ඒගොල්ලෝ මොනවද කරලා තියෙන්නේ කියලා.
Based on our research, we have identified few things. It's a significant challenge to the current business ecosystem. There is a high demand and market potential for the local product, but the local producer and also urban consumer has a significant challenges like delivery suppliers and the logistics. Next, the people who need the proper services, the people facing difficulties to find the proper service. In other hand, there's a lot of service providers company, they are facing a significant challenge to find the exact target audience. Last but not the least, any size of business having a issues, investment and find the suppliers and the delivery channel. Addressing these gaps, we have a solution. We introducing IdeoBix. In IdeoBix providing 3 major solutions. The first one called eShop. IdeoBix eShop offers a wide range of product in more than 100 categories and provide a global market opportunity and promote Sri Lankan local market. People who want the product, he can buy the product. Who are ready to sell the product, he also sell the product through the eShop. The next one, services. IdeoBix services segment directs to the business profiles, matching your requirement and providing a platform, startup, service-based business, self-employed and the freelancer. Who are ready to providing a services, them also register themselves and join with the Service Mart and ready to bring their services to the public. And the next one, the very important IdeoBix community. The platform enables our customers to post, share their interested and the business update, exploring innovative idea or product. The people having interested to support investing a business, so startup. Sometimes the companies are looking for a business to start up the businesses, and the investors both can join with the community and share their thoughts and work together. So all these things working like this model. So IdeoBix integrating sellers and the manufacturer through the delivery services and the local global logistics, and also customer can hire their service provider through the service providers and the freelancers.
We are targeting 20 million subscribers and 500,000 vendors from our B2C and the B2B model. When it comes to getting the revenue, we are getting the commission per product from the sellers model and subscription for a month for the service and the delivery hub. We are currently having a separate application for the users, seller and the service providers and for the delivery hub. So these applications now available in the Play Store and the App Store. Now currently we are getting more vendors to use our applications.
What is the reason for you to come up with the super app?
Yeah, so we mainly targeting the rural area people. The people are having issues with connecting the digital environment. They have no idea about this, how can we sell the product, and they have a lot of resources, they have raw materials, but they don't have an idea to how to sell them. So that's why we come up with the solutions. There's a few applications in the market, but we sure those applications are not only focused the rural area. We mainly focus on the rural area people to get these resources.
IT field එකේ කියන්නේ තොරතුරු තාක්ෂණ ක්ෂේත්‍රයේ කෝඩින් කියන්නේ ඉතාමත් සංකීර්ණ විෂයක්. ඉගෙන ගැනීමට ලේසි නැති, ඉගෙන ගැනීමට ගොඩක් වියදම් කරන්න ඕනේ විෂයක්. දැන් මේ කෝඩින් ඉගෙන ගැනීම පහසු කරවන software application එකක් අපේ ඊළඟ ටීම් එක නිර්මාණය කරලා තියෙනවා. අපි බලමු ඒක මොනවද කරලා තියෙන්නේ කියලා.
As new computer science and engineering students, we were excited but soon found coding challenging.
We questioned the difficulty of learning programming and we tried to simplify it.
Imagine learning code from the YouTube tutorial, but you are just watching the content. Reading blogs and documentation also doesn't help you to understand the actual code.
To solve this problem, we came up with a new solution called CodeLens, which is designed to provide a more interactive coding experience.
You guys would be wondering what this guy is thinking of. This is not a concept level. So we have made a platform out of our idea, and this is a 1-minute demo of that. So what you can see here is looking like a YouTube. These are the video contents in our new format. So initially it would like YouTube video. So but the additional things we have are, we have the preview editor where you can see what is happening. In addition, you can scroll the code there, you can select the code there, you can copy paste it, you can create a new file in it. Everything you can do in the video editor which you are using for the learning. So in usual things, what you do is you can see the screen recording of the code. You cannot access it, you cannot run it, you cannot develop it. These are the issues you have. In this format, you can do all these things. So what are the features we have? What can we do? All this time I was talking about the learners, how someone is learning so that they can watch the tutorial, get the understanding, they can on the go do the development there, and also they can get the extra code they need. For the tutor, so if we take a YouTube video, every 2 years there would be same video, Python tutorial or JavaScript tutorial, because there are some upgrades, syntax upgrade, there are so many things. So as a tutor, he has to upload everything again and again. But this format, what he can do is he can refactor it. He don't have to create the entire session of that compilation again and again. So that's the biggest thing for the tutor. And the organization that we call as an organization which is teaching code learning. So it's a low cost. So it would be providing a better experience for the users. I mean the students who are learning in that institution, and also low maintenance, so because they don't have to upload the videos again and again. So when talking about the comparison, so here we can see the blogs, Stack Overflow things, and also Code Sandbox, YouTube and CodeLens. So mainly we have been focusing on the IDE execution issue and the explanation and the code content. So, and in the multiple scenario case, we can say that we get the GitHub link and the code there, but we are not getting each and every scenario that the tutor is explaining in the video. So for example, in a video he would be explaining 4 scenarios, but what he would have in the GitHub link or the code would be for 1 scenario. So that's a quick snapshot of what we have there.
So today most of this content which is getting posted on YouTube is by the content creators. Their preferred platform would be YouTube.
Yep.
How would you attract them to your platform to create the content?
So what we say is, what we have in additional here is, for the student, he has some extra benefits.
No, I know I agree, but I'm just saying
the business plan.
No, you have to have content, you have to have code in your repository. Now YouTube, there are so many people publishing it because that's the known channel.
Yep.
Now how would you attract people who are on YouTube posting these codes to your platform?
So the initial plan is like we creating the content. So this is the Java tutorial.
You guys, couple of you guys, okay.
Couple of you guys, we have already created them. So we have created them and post there and sending them, okay, learn from here. So we are just building, okay, we have this platform where you can learn easily, and after that we are planning like going with the institution. So instead of creating...
So are you kind of popularizing this in the universities where you all are studying, or how are you all starting this traction between students and the
So mainly we are focusing this on the initial code learning beginners. So we are talking with the school level or the private small tuition centers like IDM, BCAS, those things. So we have been talking about, we had sessions with them as well. So we talked them with these local brands we had there.
Now, so anybody who wants to freely learn, that's why I think Ramesh also asked whether you're going to create modular-wise, intermediary, beginner, intermediate and expert or whatever. Is it going to be something that later on you can get into a certificate level where the person who's subscribing can learn and get certified or something? Are you looking at to that extent?
In a YouTube video, anyone can upload a new video, anyone can record a new video and upload it. We are focusing on that kind of application. Currently we are providing...
I think
is it for fun you're doing, or do you want to make money out of that? Is it a business? What is it?
Yeah.
Are you doing
anyhow
it
it's
as
going
a social cause, or you want to do it as a business?
We want to do it as a business.
Janitorial services කියන්නේ ඕනෑම නිවසක් කාර්යාලයක් ආයතනයක් හෝටලයක් නැත්නම් පාසලක් වැනි තැනක් පිරිසිදු කිරීම බාර ගන්නා ව්‍යාපාරයක්. දැන් මේ ක්ලීනින් සර්විසස් නැත්නම් ජැනිටෝරියල් සර්විසස් කරන කම්පනීස් වලට තමන්ගේ සේවාවන්, තමන්ගේ සේවකයන් සහ පාරිභෝගිකයන් කියන මේ සියල්ලම කාර්යක්ෂමව කළමනාකරණය කරන්න පුළුවන් ඇප් එකක් තමයි අද දවසේ අවසන් තරඟකරුවා නිර්මාණය කරලා තියෙන්නේ. අපි බලමු එයා මොනවද කරලා තියෙන්නේ කියලා.
We have find issue in the janitorial industry as how they are facing so many problems like an inefficiency and inventory mismanagement, and they are facing a big lot of problems in managing their workers and accountability and budgetary and unorganized workforce. Like this, so many issues they are facing. So we came up with that janitorial ERP management system to work with the work order management, inventory tracking and the time tracking, analytic reports. Like this ways we plan with the scheduling, they can schedule the task and schedule the events and time tracking, maintain quality, supervisor, attendance, and especially in this case we have come up with the geofencing. Geofencing means normally all the apps have the geofencing, but here when the worker can log into our ERP system when he went to the client place or the place which one is recruited to him to do the work, then only he log in, then only time tracker works. So there's much more accountability will works, and to reduce the inventory management system, the client and the employee can also adjust the inventory. So there's a lot of mismanagement in inventory will be reduced, and our ERP is a white labeled one because all the clients like to billing on their own brand, so we'll doing in the white label system. And here the advanced is not specific to the general industry. We made this ERP only the general industry, so we have targeted the North America because currently they are only leading in the technical side and they are very eager to accept the new technologies. And this is our compound annual growth rate is 2.9% as our current rate. Already we have deployed our ERP system with the SQM janitorials in Canada. From that we are doing this, and So this is our ROA like $50,000 and from total investment from 3.5 years.
Why are you targeting the US market?
So currently, as in the US North America side, they are forwarded in the technology and they are willing to accept the new technology easily. And for the income source also, we do this pricing as a subscription model. Per user, we are getting the $5. Actually, in the current ERP system which we deployed, they have more than 100 plus users. So we'll get a monthly $500 as a quick income.
So you have deployed customers in US. How many? How many?
Actually, in Canada, we have one customer called SKM Janitorial, and we have another one person in Germany, SK Groups, and also in Australia.
So you are now in production for about 4-5 months.
Yeah.
Okay. So just an add-on question to what Ramesh asked. So in terms of the difference between some other ERP system versus janitorial ERP system, what is the main difference? Because geofencing, time tracking, I think these are standard things.
Yeah.
What is different?
We customized the needs, what they wanted, like the maintenance and the attendance, supervisions. Also, we can use this as a general purpose also. But we did for the particular janitorial services only.
Dialog Innovation Challenge අද දවසේ තීරණාත්මක අවස්ථාවට අපි ඇවිල්ලා තියෙන්නේ judges. මේ පස් දෙනාගෙන් අද දවසේ මුලින්ම තරඟයෙන් ඉවත් වෙන්නේ කවුද?
ඉස්සෙල්ලාම මේ අපි ඉවත් කරන්න තීරණය කළා තියෙන්නේ ERP janitorial service product එක.
All the best. Congratulations. We'll see you later. Right.
So next that we thought we will eliminate is chat to find, though it's a very good concept, novel idea. I think you need to come with a pretty flushed out business model to take it forward.
Avishka, it's obvious that you are a brilliant mind. Thank you so much for coming in, and I hope you take on the judges' advice, and all the best for your journey. Right.
The next one we thought of eliminating is audio mix. I think we gave that feedback to you as well.
Kapilan, unfortunately, you have to leave the competition, but all the very best. I hope you take on the feedback in a positive way. All the best for your journey. Right. We have 2 people left, judges. May දෙන්නට අපි feedback දීලා individually, then we'll say who is leaving the competition next.
Not in the winning order, but I will just cover the two business ideas. Revolutionize the shrimp farming. The judges, all 3 of us were in agreement that it's a good product. It has a lot of benefit to small scale, medium scale and large scale businesses in Sri Lanka. So ඒ කරුණු ටික අපි ගත්තා short list කරන්න. අනිත් එක code lens online coding learning platform. ඒකත් අපි හිතුවා හොඳ idea එකක් කියලා. ඒ වුණාට කල්පනා කරනකොට business proposal එක අපිට present කරපු විදිහට we thought that there has to be a lot more thinking that needs to go into figuring out what you want to do with the product and how quickly you can go to the market. So based on these criteria and what the challenge is all about, the judges unanimously decided that the golden ticket will be taken by the revolutionizing shrimp farming idea.
Which means the last person to get eliminated today is Pranavan and Codelens. Yeah. Congratulations, Pranavan. Well done. There's a long way to go, so don't give up. Yeah. ඒ කියන්නේ Dialog Innovation Challenge 6th episode එකේ golden ticket එක අරන් අවසාන වටේට යන්නේ Gayatri and her team with Smart Aqua. Congratulations. Let's invite the entire team on stage. Congratulations, team Smart Aqua. You will now receive the golden ticket from our judges. Smart Aqua team එක අවසන් වටේට යන්න golden ticket එක දිනා ගන්න අවස්ථාවයි ඔයගොල්ලෝ මේ දකින්නේ. Right, අපි එතනින් එහෙනම් Dialog Innovation Challenge එකේ 6th episode එක අවසන් කරන්නයි මේ සූදානම් වෙන්නේ. Thank you so much for joining us. මම හිතනවා ඔයගොල්ලෝ අද episode එක enjoy කරන්න ඇති කියලා. ලබන සතියේත් මේ වගේ තවත් නවෝත්පාදන මනස් පහක් එක්ක අපි ඔයගොල්ලෝ හම්බෙන්න එනවා. A huge thank you goes to our judges, Asela, Sherin and Ramesh. Thank you so much for your knowledge, your expertise and your advice. Hari, ලබන සතියේ හම්බෙනකන් keep dreaming, keep innovating. This is the Dialog Innovation Challenge. Good night.
Dialog Innovation Challenge.